So we are very most welcome dear students. Now we are discussing about the topic work done in moving a body up a rough inclined plane. So we are considering the inclined plane at an angle theta. So we can also pronounce as that one is inclined AB at an angle theta to the horizontal AC. So the block is moving in a situation in the upward direction, and we are just finding the expression for the amount of work done. So again assuming that a block of mass m is on the inclined plane, and we are applying the force F in the forward direction in such a way that the block is moving in the direction of force. So in the equilibrium situation on the block, the different forces operated like this. In the equilibrium, the normal reaction R equals to mg cos theta, the component of the force. The weight of the object will be in the downward direction, mg, and the two components of mg are mg cos theta and mg sin theta, and therefore from this diagram, in the opposite direction of R, there is mg cos theta, one of the component of force. So R equals to mg cos theta, and again the applied force F equals to the opposite directional forces. So applied force F equals to not only the force of friction in this case, but also the one of the component of the force, that one is mg sin theta. So applied force equals to small f equals to mg sin theta plus force of friction. So in moving the object in the upward direction, we should have to apply the force at least equal to the sum of the two forces, that was force of friction and the mg sin theta, the component of the force. So applied force becomes equals to mg sin theta plus force of friction. So we are assuming that on applying the force value small f in the forward direction, upward direction, suppose that block is moved some distance in the direction of force. So amount of work done will becomes equal to force applied into distance moved. So we can write as the values of force also small f equals to, so small f equals to mg sin theta plus f, that should be at least equal to that value. So work done becomes equals to mg sin theta plus f, that is the small f value, into distance moved. So that amount of work done F into S becomes like that. Work done equals to mg sin theta plus F into distance moved. Again we are knowing that force of friction equals to coefficient of friction into normal reaction R. So again using the value of the force of friction here, the value for the amount of work done becomes equals to, using the value of the force of friction, equals to mu R. So amount of work done equals to mg sin theta plus mu R into the distance moved by the block on the inclined plane. So again we are knowing that R equals to mg cos theta from here. So again using the value of R, that is equals to mg cos theta. So the expression becomes as work done equals to mg sin theta plus mu R plus mu into mg cos theta into distance moved. So amount of work done equals to mg out of bracket into sin theta plus mu cos theta into distance moved by the block on the inclined plane. And from here we are finding that in that case of the inclined plane, the body is moving in the upward direction, the amount of work done is not only in the opposite sense that of the force of friction, but there is also the component of the weight, that is mg sin theta. So applied force should be of the two components here, the least value of the applied force. But in the case of horizontal surface, the amount of the applied force was just compensating the force of friction, and the force of friction in that case was the function of the normal reaction or the weight of the object. But in this case, the applied force should be compensating the one of the component of the weight of the object and the force of friction here. So that is the difference between these two, inclined plane and the horizontal surface.